Having done hundreds of videos in various environments, we learned a lot about sound quality and wanted to achieve the perfect balance, which is crucial to any business video. In the entire studio, we have deployed 7 layers of supreme quality acoustics that make sure the audio is captured with utmost clarity and precision. This level of sound quality is essential for delivering clear and impactful messages in business videos. The acoustic treatments help in eliminating unwanted echoes and reverberations, ensuring a clean and professional sound. Our commitment to sustainability is reflected in the use of green, chemical-free, thermally bonded insulation. This also eliminates harmful gases and maintains fresh and healthy studio environment.